So you can customize your air commands on your Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra by simply pointing your S Pen to the edge of the screen, and you will see this little icon. Tap on it, and then you will see your air commands menu. So you can tap on add, and then you can add or remove items. So for instance, I can add that, I can add write or calendar. I can even remove some of the stuff by tapping on this minus sign. So for instance, if I want to remove pen app, I can do it like that. I can even add apps to the air command. So I can add an app like that one. And then once you're done, just hit the shortcuts button to go back home and back. And so now that's going to be your new list of air commands. So once you put your pointer on the edge of the screen and tap on that pen icon, you can now see all the apps you've added, and the ones we removed are going to be gone. So that's how to customize those. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.